We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up WTM stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle coming from an area of support. Price currently is at 1347.66. So the highest high of that overall market is currently at 1212.7. So market did break 1212.7, lead it up to 1347.66. So we are looking for a pattern, and it formed below price, which is the first leg, second leg, third leg, and we do have that break of that market. Also broke that overall highest highs of the highest price that was previously at 1259.23. So price did retest that area with the second, third, last candle, and the market pushed up. But we don't know if that's the area we want to see, if that's the market pushing all the way up. If we may want to see a full breakout. So we want to see a breakout and a push for that market to come all the way back down, to come back to the previous price of 1236.43 and then work his way back up. Price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle coming from an area of support, which is on the SR line, with the second last candle, third last candle being dojis in the market. Price action is engulfing the previous candles, which created that push to the market. So let's walk down the time frame to see what's going on. On the weekly time frame, we have price action as a bullish green push up to the top. So it's a small candle with a push up to the top. So price action has tagged this area just one time. Okay, so we're going to walk down the time frame to see what's going on. Below that, we do see that the market did break that SR line, return back to the SR line, created that double bottom. So we see that first, second, third, and the market's pushed up for that fourth. So it did break this previous area here, pushed up to the high. So we want to see if that market's going to come down to at least this midpoint of this area below price, or it's going to come for a full retest, as we currently see on the monthly time frame, to the previous overall stabilized price was sitting at 1221. Headed to the daily time frame, price action still bullish green, long wick up to the top, green candle. Walking down to a 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have price action as a bearish red doji, second last candle, bullish green cross slash doji. So market's working his way sideways. So if that market does drop, we have price action highs, and the highest part number to that area is 1359, and it can stop at a midpoint, which would be near 1327. So that's that market breaking the SR line, come back to retest. If it breaks down further, it's headed back to the next level lower, which would be 1298. So price action second last candle is side by side. Also, it's tagged that area, that resistance, twice, so it's identifying a double top or a single top and a retest. On a 3-hour time frame, we have multiple pushes to that top. So let's read what's happening in that market. So that market's pushed up and just worked its way sideways with the price action second last candle. So we got a single top and a double retest altogether still, or a double top and a retest. Headed to a 2-hour time frame, starting to receive some structure. So price action is at the midpoint of the area, sitting at 1350. So that market can either respect this 1350 number of price and work its way back up to that high to 1358. If not, price can come down to as low as 1342. And if it breaks 1342, it's coming back down to that overall SR line that we created on an earlier time frame. And that will be the full break and coming back down to retest. If that market is respected on the 2-hour time frame, let's talk about it on the 1-hour time frame. If that market is respected on the 1-hour time frame, with price action being a bearish red candle with a spike down to that low area, markets can be respected for that first leg, second leg, third leg, respects this area here, then we'll see an incline W. If not, market can run into that rejection at that area. So if we think about an imaginary line coming up, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, we got to get the full break. So we're looking for the break of the midpoint of that area, and then we're looking for the price to return back to previous areas near 1344 and then work its way down further. And then that's when we'll be identifying that double top, the retest, and the market works its way down. On the 45-minute, it's reading the same thing. On the 30-minute, still reading the same thing. We can see price action sitting at that midpoint of price action high and low. Walking down to the 15-minute, still reading the same thing as well. Got a bit of consolidation with the price action second last candle, some of the third last candle of the market. But we can see that structure still trying to build and form. If it's respected, we can see that market could push up for that incline W. If not, we can still see that overall imaginary line, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, that's the retest. Market's coming down from a double top and a retest. On a 5-minute time frame, now it's starting to get, market's starting to become gapped off, a lot of gaps in the market. So price action, the colors are reversed, so we're not going to talk about this. So let's get on down. So I won't even trade the 5-minute time frame. I'll probably just stop at the 15-minute time frame. Let's keep on walking down and see what's going on. Still a lot of gaps in the market. Price action 3-minute time frame, bullish green candle, still reading the same thing as a 5. The 1-minute time frame reading the same thing. So I would currently just stop at the 15-minute time frame and trade that. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. WTM stock.